There's a very common algebra mistake that has to do with minus signs. It comes up when you have something like this, two terms that we're subtracting. So let's go ahead and simplify this. Just a warning, what I'm about to do is wrong. The mistake is this. Since we're subtracting these two pieces, it seems like we can just remove the minus signs. So that would give us 2x plus 4 minus 3x minus 2. And then we can combine like terms. We have a 2x and a minus 3x, so that's minus x. And then plus 4 minus 2, that's plus 2. And this, everything between these red lines, this is wrong. And the reason it's wrong is because the minus sign up here, we have to distribute it. Remember, subtracting is really adding a negative. And if you have, so let's write that. It's really adding negative 1 times 3x minus 2. And when you have that minus 1 there, to remove the parentheses, you have to distribute that minus 1 first. So let's do that. We get 2x plus 4 plus minus 1 times 3x, that's minus 3x. And then minus 2, that's plus 2. So you see the part we really got wrong here is that the minus sign on that 2 should be a plus after you distribute that minus 1. So then 2x minus 3x is minus x, and plus 4 plus 2 is plus 6. Okay, so that is the correct answer. Now, after a certain point, after making this mistake with not distributing this minus sign a few times, usually you get the hang of it, but there is another situation where it's very common to forget to distribute that minus sign. And the reason that it is such a common mistake is because the fact that there are two pieces that you need to distribute over is sort of hidden. So let's look at another example. So let's simplify 2x plus 7 over x minus 1 minus, let's say, x plus 4 over x minus 1. All right. So the mistake that people often make is they say to themselves, well, I have two rational expressions and the denominators are already the same, so I can go ahead and subtract them. The denominator of the result is going to be x minus 1, and that is true. And then in the numerator, I just need to subtract the numerators, or I need to put these two numerators together by subtracting them. And they write 2x plus 7, everything is okay so far, minus x plus 4. And this right here, this is wrong. We've made that same mistake of not distributing the minus sign. Because in our original irrational expression, this x plus 4, it's as if it has parentheses around it. The fraction bar groups this numerator together. So it's as if it has parentheses. And you can see if you write the parentheses, we need to distribute that minus sign. So when you're subtracting rational expressions, you need to distribute the minus sign. So this first one was wrong. Let's do it again, but correctly. So the denominator is x minus 1. And in the numerator, we get 2x plus 7 minus x plus 4. And then to simplify this further, now we're forced to distribute this minus sign, like that. And we get 2x plus 7 minus x minus 4 all over x minus 1. And then we can combine like terms in the numerator. We have a 2x minus x, that's x, plus 7 minus 4, that's plus 3 over x minus 1. And this rational expression doesn't simplify any further, so that's it. So when you're working with rational expressions, be especially on your guard about distributing that minus sign when you're subtracting.